Welcome to the Learning Academy. Thank you for joining us on another space exploration adventure. Oumuamua, neither comet nor asteroid, but a cosmic iceberg. A new study suggests that the interloper, Oumuamua, may have arisen in an interstellar cloud. Interstellar clouds are where some stars are born. Oumuamua was discovered 2.5 years ago by astronomers. They noticed a strange cigar-shaped object speeding through the solar system on a trajectory from far away and toward even farther away. Today, however, Oumuamua, which is the Hawaiian term for scout, as the object was named, is now long gone and is headed somewhere between the orbits of Saturn and Neptune, and may be on its way to the great out there, way beyond the observable universe. But astronomers are still wondering and debating about what Oumuamua was and what Oumuamua is. Oumuamua, lovingly termed the cosmic interloper, was first thought to be an interstellar asteroid, basically a chunk of rock shed by another star system. Then astronomers decided it must be a comet, likewise flung loose from some faraway star and planetary system. They briefly speculated that it could be an alien artifact, a derelict probe like the giant spaceship in Arthur C. Clarke's novel Rendezvous with Rama, or a fragment from a planetesimal that was ripped apart by a gravitational interaction or collision. Now, surprisingly, a group of Yale astronomers have suggested that Oumuamua was neither an asteroid nor a comet. They have surmised that it was a cosmic iceberg. Basically, it was a chunk of frozen hydrogen. Moreover, they have stated that it was a primordial leftover, which originated not from another planetary or star system at all, but from a place and time where stars and planets didn't exist yet. The deep, dark core of an interstellar cloud, one of the galumphine assemblages of gas and dust that shadow the starry lanes of the Milky Way, and where stars are sometimes born. That might not sound as interesting as an alien spaceship, but if the assessment is accurate, it could provide astronomers with direct insight into stellar nurseries as part of the universe that human technology cannot yet assess, but at some time in the future they will be able to assess the aspects of the unobservable universe. These clouds, composed mostly of molecular hydrogen left over from the Big Bang, can contain the mass of 10,000s of suns and span hundreds of light years. That's the amazing and interesting phenomenon of what is called an interstellar cloud. At the center of an interstellar cloud, where no sun yet shines and is protected from radiation, the temperature can plunge to a few degrees above absolute zero. Cold enough for hydrogen itself, the lightest, most volatile, and most common element in the universe, to freeze. Yes, hydrogen freezes at the center of interstellar clouds. In turn, these frozen particles stick to small grains of interstellar dust, growing in a few thousand years into an ice cube 1,000 feet wide. Oumuamua is now long gone and is not observable in any way. Oumuamua has left the observable universe. But it should be added that if these Yale astronomers are correct, more cosmic icebergs will surely come to be detected, discovered, and inspected by facilities like the new Vera Rubin Observatory in Chile and other notable agencies that study space and astronomy. The European Space Agency is mulling a project called the Comet Interceptor, a spacecraft that would be parked in space near Earth and would chase comets and other alien wanderers as they come through the solar system. Sounds extremely exciting. If the hydrogen hypothesis is correct, then astronomers should be able to prove the theory by detecting future objects. It was also added that this would mean that Oumuamua bears no genetic relation to Borisov, which is 21 Borisov, which was an interstellar comet that visited our solar system late in 2019. Astronomers concluded that after recreating Oumuamua's trajectory and analyzing all the forces and influences on it during its journey, they published their results in various journal letters. Some have stated that they have not yet spent enough time with their papers to venture an opinion on the hypotheses about Oumuamua. There are lots of creative ideas out there about Oumuamua. It was mentioned, and some believe that Oumuamua was a fragment of an alien planetesimal that had been sheared off by a close encounter in its home system. Originally, Oumuamua showed none of the sizzle and flash typical of comets. Dirty snowballs that blow off gas and dust into tails and glowing comas when sunlight warms them. That's the fascination that comes with being a comet. And Oumuamua showed none of these characteristics. Astronomers concluded then that it was an inert object, similarly to an asteroid, yet its brightness varied wildly, suggesting that it was irregularly shaped and tumbling. Astronomers eventually concluded that the object was about 1,000 feet long and cigar-shaped, evoking the image of a rocket cylinder. But further analysis revealed that it was speeding up as it exited the solar system, evidence that gas boiling off the surface of the icy body was giving it a boost. That meant it was a comet after all. Some astronomers tried to simulate the comet's behavior based on calculations of how much energy it would have received from the sun. They found that water ice, the main constituent of ordinary comets, did not provide enough oomph to explain the comet's acceleration. It was stated that frozen hydrogen does, however, offer a compelling mechanism for acceleration. Being more volatile, it would mean that hydrogen would easily supply the necessary energy boost. It was noted that it wouldn't take much for subliming hydrogen to increase the velocity of Oumuamua. The subliming hydrogen would add about 200 feet per second to the velocity of a cosmic ice ball that was already speeding along at 40 miles per second. This speed increment would be a huge deal on the Autobahn, but it's a rounding error on the cosmic racetrack. Stated that Oumuamua passed close to the sun and received its warmth, melting the hydrogen, which would rapidly boil off the icy surface, providing the observed acceleration, and also in Oumuamua down to its weird elongated shape, much as a bar or so becomes a thin sliver after many uses in the shower. But that version of events would require rewriting Oumuamua's origin story yet again. Forget about alien planet systems or even aliens. Solid hydrogen can exist only at temperatures below 6 degrees Kelvin or 6 degrees Celsius above absolute zero. To find temperatures cold enough to freeze hydrogen out of the interstellar gas, you would have to go inside the coldest, densest lumps called prestellar cores in big, dark molecular clouds. In fact, you need to do it in a starless core, because if you formed a star, then the radiation would destroy all of the iceberg. Interstellar molecular clouds are interesting places. Radio astronomers have detected the presence of many of the organic molecules, such as methanol and acetaldehyde, in the dark icy cores of these clouds. Some of these clouds eventually collapse when they are thrown off balance by the shock waves of supernovae explosions, or with collisions with other clouds. The result can be a profusion of star birth, as captured by the famous Hubble Space Telescope. Luckily, for those who would like to study a sample of these primordial prebirths and probe their chemical secrets, such clouds do not always collapse and bear stars. They can disperse, leaving behind a cosmic iceberg to float among the stars. It has been calculated then that the object that would become Oumuamua wandered for less than 100 million years, not long on the galactic scale, before encountering our solar system. If this version of events is accurate, telescopes at the Vera Rubin Observatory, which is designed to scan the entire sky every 3 days, are likely to find the more wandering hydrogen icebergs entering the solar system. Astronomers will be able to watch them light up and evolve as the erosive power of sunlight gets to work. Experts who want to probably forever stay near the sun, you should appreciate a universe that delivers takeout. This has been an amazing, intriguing, and very fascinating exploration of the debates surrounding what Oumuamua is, and it seems the latest idea is that it is a cosmic iceberg and not an asteroid nor a comet. The debate rages on. and we continue to enjoy and explore astronomy and various space discoveries on the Learning Academy. Now this is your choice place to explore, discover, and enjoy interesting debates about matters in relation to space and astronomy. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments down below. We crave your comments. Let us know what you'd like us to discuss in relation to astronomy and space discoveries. Please subscribe if you have not already done so. Thanks for watching the Learning Academy. Goodbye.